What's up, internet? So look, I've been messing around with crypto for what, about 6, maybe 7 years at this point, and during that time, I've literally tried dozens of different platforms, exchanges, you name it. And one of the biggest headaches has always been actually cashing out, like taking your crypto and turning it into actual spendable money, real fiat currency. Because sure, holding digital assets is cool and all, but eventually you need to pay bills or buy stuff in the real world. Here's what nobody tells you though, the web is just packed with scam platforms, like absolutely packed, and I'm speaking from experience here. I've gotten scammed multiple times, had my funds locked, watched platforms vanish into thin air, the whole horror show. So now I'm incredibly careful about which services I actually trust with my money. Anyway, for the last year plus, I've been sticking with this one particular app and it's been working really well for me. Super reliable. Let me walk you through the actual process. All right, so for demonstration purposes, let's do Tether converting to Ethereum. Pretty typical transaction. So the first step is selecting the token pair, USDT on the sending side, scrolling down, there it is. ETH on the receiving end, tap that, and the exchange rate pops up. It's actually pretty solid. So I compared this with a few other platforms earlier today, and this rate's competitive. Okay, next thing, my destination wallet address. And look, pay close attention here. Verify this address like your life depends on it. Check it however many times you need, because mess this up and those coins are permanently gone. Nobody can fix that mistake. So switching to my wallet app, grabbing the address, pasting it in, perfect, matches, good. Now the terms screen, scrolling through, quick verification, rates accurate, wallet address matches, looks good. Clicking confirm and create order, and done, order's live in the system. So now I gotta send the tokens to this address, so one sec please. Good, now switching back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment button here, done. Now we're just in processing mode. Usually wraps up in about a few minutes or so, sometimes faster. So I'm gonna speed this part up for you. And done, exchange complete. Now I just gotta wait for the tokens to hit my wallet balance. All right, so while this goes through, here's what separates this from all the garbage scam exchanges you see advertised everywhere. Okay, first thing, they don't promise you insane rates that are way better than everyone else. That's always a red flag. Scammers lure you in with rates that seem too good to be true because they are. This platform shows market rates, sometimes slightly worse, sometimes slightly better, but always realistic. Second thing, it doesn't pressure you with urgency tactics. Scam sites are always like limited time offer or sign up in the next hour or whatever. This platform just exists, does its thing, no psychological manipulation. Third, transparency on fees. Every scam exchange I've used had hidden fees that only showed up after you already sent your crypto. This one shows you everything up front, the exact amount you're getting, the exact fees, no surprises after the fact. And fourth, they've actually been operating for years with consistent service. Scam platforms usually operate for a few months, grab as much money as they can, then disappear. Long-term operation with steady reputation, that's what you want to see. So let me tell you about the worst one I fell for. This was maybe 3 years back. Exchange looked legitimate, professional design, fake testimonials everywhere. I sent over like $2,500 worth of crypto, tried to cash out, and the withdrawal just sat there saying pending forever. Contacted support, got some generic responses for a week, then radio silence. Site went offline shortly after. That money's just gone. Nothing I can do about it. So that's my breakdown of this platform. Links down in the description and pinned in the comments if you want to test it out yourself. Obviously, do your own homework. Don't put in money you can't afford to lose. Standard disclaimer stuff. All right, that's it. Catch you next time.